Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students, I hope you will be fine in the best condition of health and iman. I'm also quite well by the grace of Allah. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam School, Faisalabad region. First of all, we recite dua. So all of you raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen ya Rabbul Alameen. Students, let's start English reading. It's your book. Yes, good. Quickly take out a book from your bag. Good. Our lecture number is 13 and subject English. Lecture 13 and subject English. Student, open the book page number 18. Are you ready? Good. And topic is word opposite. Word opposite. I have example. I have a scale and marker. Scale is long and board marker is short. Marker is opposite of scale. Let's start reading. Yes, book page number 18. And topic is word opposite. Look at the picture. Yes, what is it? Yes, good. Elephant. Yes. Pic of elephant. And this one, mouse, rat. Okay. Elephant is big and mouse is small. Let's start reading. Big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. Elephant is a big and rat is small. And we read here word opposite. Big, small. Look at the board. There is a bucket and this bucket is empty. There is nothing. Yes, this bucket is empty. And this bucket is full of weed. So empty, full, empty, full. This bucket is empty and this bucket is full. Next, long, short. Long, short, long branch of a tree and there is short snake, long, short, long, short. Next line, put your finger to next line. Yes, there is a jar, and in this jar, yes, what is it? Flour. Good. Flour. Flour is in the jar, so we say here in, and there is flowers are out of jars, so we say out. Out. In, out. Students, repeat this page with me. Big, small. Big, small. You know very well our topic is word opposite. These are words and these are opposite. Big, empty, long, in are words, and opposite small, full, short, out. Big, small. Big, small. Empty, full. Empty, full. Long, long. Short, short. In, out, out. Students, learn this page quickly. Student, take your English workbook from your bag. Page number 45, and topic of this page is myself. Myself. Students, you introduce yourself according to fill in the blanks. Are you ready? Yes. Take a pencil in your hand. Good. Students, exemplary here is Ahmad, and Ahmad write the fill in the blanks. You write myself. Are you ready? Good. My name is, for example, he is Ahmad. Okay. My name is Ahmad, and Ahmad is your class fellow. Good. My name is Ahmad, but you write your name. Ahmad. My name is Ahmad. He says, my name is Ahmad. Students, write your name in the first fill in the blanks. I am dash. Yes. Boy or girl? Yes, good. Are you boy or girl? Look at your workbook. There is two options, boy and girl. So I write here Ahmad because he is Ahmad and he is boy. Good. I am boy. Have you done, students? Good. And next line. I am dash years old. Ahmad is 6-year-old. Yes, 6-year-old. I read in dash class. Ahmad says, I read in prep class. Prep. And in which class do you read? Yes, you also read in prep class. Students, repeat this, fill the blanks with me. Here is Ahmad, and Ahmad write essay. Myself. My name is Ahmad. He says, my name is Ahmad. I am boy. I am 6-year-old. I read in prep class. Now we start next lines of myself. We complete these sentences. Are you ready, students? Good. And next, I have dash brothers. We use brother for number 1, and we use word brothers more than one. Clear, students? He is Ahmad, and Ahmad says, I have one brother. We tick on brother and write 1. And second line, I have dash sister and sisters. We used word sister for singular, and we used word sisters for plural. So Ahmad has 2 sisters. We tick on sisters and write here I have. Ahmad says I have 2 sisters. Clear, students? My school name is. What is the name of your school? Yes, Dar-e-Arqam. And Ahmad says my school name is Dar-e-Arqam. Yes, Dar-e-Arqam. Good. Have you done, students? Yes, my school name is Dar-e-Arqam. And next line, I like to eat. Which is your favorite fruit, food and vegetable? Yes, but Ahmad like to eat mango. Ahmad like to eat mango. Okay, students, repeat this next half lines with me. We complete the sentences. Ahmad says, I have one brother. We tick on brother, not of brothers, because word brother we use for singular and word brothers for plural. I have 2 sisters and sisters. We tick on word sisters because the number 2 and sister were used for plural. Clear, student? My school name is Dar-e-Arqam. My school name is Dar-e-Arqam. And Ahmad says, I like to eat mango. I like to eat mango. Student, do the practice on your workbook and register. So take yourself. Fi Manila.